Supreme Court today criticized the work ethic of some High Court judges, noting that many take unnecessary breaks under the pretext of lunch and coffee. The observation came during the hearing of a petition by 4 Jharkhand residents serving life imprisonment. A division bench of Justice Surya Kant and Justice N. Kateswar Singh raised concerns over delays in delivering judgments even after hearings have concluded. Some judges work hard, but others take frequent avoidable breaks. Why can't they work continuously at least until lunch break, the bench remarked, stressing the need for a judicial performance audit. The petitioner from Scheduled Tribe and other backward classes alleged that verdicts in the criminal appeals have been pending for 2 to 3 years despite the hearings being completed. The General Administration Department of Assam has announced that 10 new core districts will become functional from August 15, 2025. This will add to the existing 39 core districts across the state. The move, issued under Governor's directive through notification, aims to improve administrative efficiency and public service delivery. The core district system, introduced in 2024, is part of Assam's decentralization reform to enhance departmental coordination in diverse regions. The Kuki Zov Village Volunteers Eastern Zone KZVVEZ has prohibited individuals from the Meitei community from entering or crossing Kuki villages in Manipur. This includes restrictions on attending the Siroi Lili Festival from May 20 to 24, 2025 in Ukhrul district. The group urged the Tangkhul Naga community to understand the necessity of this decision during a sensitive time. Key festival events will be held at Shirui village, Bakshi ground and Ukhrul headquarters, with Kuki villages along the Imphal-Ukhrul road. KZVVEZ instructed Meiteis to avoid these areas until a separate administrative setup is being established. Violation will be considered intentional, with individual bearing responsibility for any consequences. The Human Rights Commission of Pakistan (HRCP) has issued an urgent appeal to the federal and Punjab governments following reports of illegal eviction and land occupation targeting Christians in Kod Adu Darakabad district. HRCP highlighted that local land mafias with alleged state neglect are evicting Christian families from land they rightfully claim, despite a 1983 Punjab Board of Revenue directive recognizing the land rights. Enforcement remains lacking. Farmers told HRCP they are still awaiting allotment letters despite favorable court rulings. Without these documents, they risk losing their only source of livelihood. The community also reported threats and forced eviction by land grabbers, calling the situation a clear case of faith-based discrimination. Australia remains at the top of the ICC Women's One-Day International rankings with 167 points, leading by 40 points over second-place England. The latest update excludes match from October 2021 to April 2022, including the 2022 Women's One-Day International World Cup. Australia's series with full weightage included 3-0 wins over India, Bangladesh and England, along with victories over the West Indies, New Zealand and South Africa. England's weightage period included 3-0 and 2-1 wins over New Zealand, 2-0 wins over Pakistan and Sri Lanka, and 2-1 series wins over Ireland and South Africa.